Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view real-time traffic information on the Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Search for the location you want to visit. Now, hover your mouse over the Layers button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the More option. A small pop-up menu will appear showing different map types and details. Under the Map Details section, click on Traffic option. As you can see, Traffic layer is now enabled. Once the traffic layer is enabled, the map will show real-time traffic data along with color-coded lines on the road. On the traffic layer, you can either choose Live Traffic Mode or Typical Traffic Mode. If you choose Typical Traffic Mode, you can view the traffic data during different days and time of the week. It will be very helpful to plan your trip accordingly. If you choose Live Traffic Mode, you can view the live traffic data on the map. Green means no traffic or free flowing. Yellow or orange means moderate traffic. Red means heavy traffic. Red with black means very heavy or standstill traffic. To switch back to default map view, just toggle the button in the traffic layer to turn it off. This is how you can view real-time traffic information on the Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.